Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the forexpeacearmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit forexpeacearmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back everybody. Let's have a look on the Bitcoin market as usual on Monday. So in the Bitcoin we have two important moments for discussing. So one stands on the high time frames and long-term picture, and another one on the intraday and has a relation to the tactical trading setup. In general, compared to what we have discussed on Thursday, we were right on the direction, but not quite right on the moment where market theoretically could show retracement. So actually market first has decided to complete the upside target on the intraday charts and then starts the retracement. So currently the retracement, we have a retracement that we actually expected a few days ago. So from that standpoint, our short-term trading plan mostly stands the same because we are watching for the same pullback that we already have discussed. But right now it will be for a bit different levels just because market has moved slightly higher. Meantime, on the higher time frames, on the monthly chart in particular, we have no changes. So in fact, we have the same picture. Market keeps the bullish context. We talked about the possible retesting of the MACD predictor in September, but it seems that it probably will not happen. It's just because until the end of the September, it's just a few sessions. And we probably will have this candle intact, while in October, since MACD will move slightly higher, in October we definitely will start watching for a possible bullish grabber. So because it might be formed, and that might be decisive point because October is specific months. First of all, we don't have any meetings on Fed. Second, it is month before the elections. In fact, elections happening at the end of October, so 5th of November is actually very close to the end of October. So that's the point that we will keep an eye on. Meantime, it's very important thing is forming right now on a weekly chart. Currently, probably it is too early to make any conclusions, but let's have a look. Market is testing the MACD on the weekly chart, and if somehow market will close below this level, which particular stands around 64,573 or 574 right here. If it will close below it this week, we will get the bearish grabber, and bearish grabber suggests taking out of these lows. This will be a very important thing, and that's the first moment that I would like to discuss today. So keep an eye on the close of this week, because it might be really important and could give us the background for trading on next week. We will know the direction. The only thing that we need to do next week is just get position on the proper level. So that's why I think that grabber might be important. Now let's go to the downside. I mean, in terms of the time frames. So on the daily chart, we have nothing new. Market is stuck inside of the agreement resistance. So once the COP target has been completed, this target together with the 64.18 approximately creates the agreement resistance, and market stands almost for a whole week inside of this range. Even Fed decision hasn't given the market a lot of optimism. So yes, some upward action has happened, but it was significantly smaller than on other markets. So market stands tight right there. So although overall context remained bullish, and actually we still could get this ABCD pattern because we do not know what will happen on the weekly chart, whether the grabber in general will be formed or not. That's why we still keep this ABCD pattern on the table. But on the intraday charts, it seems that at least we're count on retracement that we discussed last time. So if we take a look at the 4-time frame chart, if you remember, we have talked about this confluence, but now it stands around 59.10, 60, 13 approximately, this range. That's very interesting to us. Here's on the 4-time frame chart, this bearish grabber has been formed, and this is a second moment that I would like to share with you. So you can see that market has formed here downside reversal, so potentially it might be downside continuation until these lows. So theoretically this is possible. And on the hourly chart, we could get the shape of the hand shortest pattern. We would not call you to trade it into the downside direction, although it is not forbidden. If you're a scalp trader, you could consider this pattern as well, somewhere on the top of the right arm, around 64 area, maybe 63.90. This will be a chance to think about taking the short position if we will get the proper shape of this pattern. Our most interest here stands with the fruits of this retracement. So if market will complete this kind of the ABCD pattern, we should be somewhere around 60.80, which perfectly agrees with this confidence support. So once the hand shorts will be completed, this will be somewhere around the confidence support area, and potentially it might be interesting situation for taking the long position. So as I already talked about, this any confidence area by itself is some kind of directional indicator. So if even later market will break it down at the first touch, in most cases 90% we are getting some tactical bounce, tactical response, which led us to move stops to the break even. That's why any confidence provides low risk for entry opportunity, and that's why we're always watching for this kind of levels. So as a bottom line, currently overall context remains bullish. We're watching for this predefined area to consider taking long position. Scalp traders theoretically could try to go short, but should wait when this shape of this pattern will be formed. So currently it's a bit too risky to take the position. So wait when this will be clarity with this pattern, and then if you would like to, you could try to take the scalp short position. Although we do not consider any shorts because we're mostly trading on the daily and higher time frames where we have the bullish context.